What's going on YouTube? This is Wally right here. Welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make bruschetta.
Write about your job.
If I wrote a blog about my job and anyone at work ever read it, I mean, hello.
This is good. This is really
On top
good.
of which, the whole
And we need tomato, basil, onion, garlic, olive oil, salt, and of course bread. Well, this is a classic recipe. If you want to use another vegetables, just do it. Be creative. Well, we have all the ingredients. It's a lot of work, so let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna cut the vegetables into tiny pieces. The next step, I'm gonna chop the tomatoes right here because I want to collect all the juice from the tomatoes. Yes, we need a lot of juice. And the last step, olive oil. And be generous with the olive oil. Good to go, the vegetables are ready. Now I'm gonna mix them together and then I'm gonna cook the bread. Well, you have more ways to cook the bread, but the easiest way and the best way is to use a toaster. Well, the bread is ready. Look how beautiful it is. It's just perfect. Now, let's just put from the tomatoes over the top. Oh my god, looks beautiful. Wow, it's full of flavor. This is the real bruschetta. Now let's try it. Wow. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the like button and share my videos with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.